Hey guys, Jonny at the Boat Brokers, and today I'm going to show you around this 2025 Bentley Pontoons. This is a 223 swingback, 223 meaning 22-foot tritoon, has a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard. It sits on a tandem axle trailer. I'll show you guys around. Now this 223 has your matte blue paneling and your silver vein railing. On the Bentley Pontoons, you're going to have full 5/8 solid keels lining the tubes. That goes all the way to the back of the tube. So you know you're protected when you're taking the unit up onto the beach. Now with your tandem axle bear trailer, you have an easy access ladder at the front. Your front gate, you'll have entry at the front. Your navigation lighting, your LED docking lights. You have a stand-up cleat, one to each side. Rubber bumper insert guard all the way around. And as I mentioned, this is a 22-foot. This is the Legacy series. Additional stand-up cleats at the back of the unit, one to each side. 25-inch diameter tubes. And these do have the interior lifting strakes. That'll help you get up to plane. It's also going to reduce splashback and make your ride more stable. And there is that 200 horsepower Mercury. That 200 horsepower setup, you got the stainless steel prop included. 32-gallon size fuel tank. C-Star hydraulic steering. Then your rear entry ladder, you're gonna have a rear entry gate. You actually have one to each side. Now I'll show you guys to the inside. And on the interior, you're gonna have your soft touch vinyl gray upholstery and your gray seagrass flooring. The seagrass flooring is a vinyl woven type of material, so it's super durable, easy to clean. You get tons of storage space. Your backrest will lift for storage. Everything is hinged. That's your snap-on cover. So there's no loose cushions on the swingback model. Bimini cover. Fiberglass helm. Out here in Arizona, having the fiberglass compared to the composite helms. Nice feature. About 8.5 feet in length for your ski locker. You get tons of storage space here as well. Some under helm storage. With the Swingback Legacy model, you're going to have your dual mid-back captain's chairs. These are rotating, sliding, and reclining. The co-captain can rotate all the way around. So if you have somebody up the ski bar, the co-captain could get visibility. Pre-installed Humminbird Helix 5, so this could be your water temperature, depth finder, GPS. Also has fish finding abilities. JBL head unit to power your 4 marine grade speakers. Then all your control switches, you have easy access at the helm. Now your Mercury gauges, you're gonna have your fuel gauge, speedometer, tachometer, and voltage meter. And you're gonna have USB and Type-C charging ports. Adjustable steering wheel. Your Merc control box. You're rated for 15 people or 2,480 pounds. Maximum horsepower on this 223 Sport Tune is the 200 it's rigged with. You can see where this is set up currently. You have it for bench style seating. So again, if you have the tuber or skier off the ski bar, you could get great visibility. Not only is it a safety feature, it's more comfortable, but this will also drop down to give you a lounger. So if you just want to lay out, enjoy the sun, you could drop this down and do so facing towards the water. Or maybe you're staying out on the water and want to convert this into a bed. This will drop all the way down. And maybe you're getting some wind or you're facing the sun, you could also change this and face towards the front of the unit. Now, if you guys have any questions on this full package tritoon, you could give me a call directly here at 435-559-7706. You can also come tour this unit at 1680 Industrial Boulevard here in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. We have used inventory as well, pontoon boats, fiberglass boats, new Bentleys, new Barlettas. Come on down and check it out here at the Boat Brokers.